Okay, let's eat another carrot. Good boy. Eat it. Good. Okay, let's get another one. Get another carrot. Put it on your spoon. Yay. Now eat it. Put it in your mouth. No, put it in your mouth. Today. Today. Put that in your mouth. Good boy. Oh, you better eat it. There, you got it. Good boy. You can have another one? There's the cleaner upper. Put it in your mouth. Yay, that's a pea. Good boy. Yay. You're a big boy. You can do one more? Okay. Put it in your mouth. Yay. Good boy. You silly. You're silly.